Friedman test. The Friedman test is the non-parametric test equivalent to the repeated Meyer ANOVA and an extension of the Wilcoxon test. It allows the comparison of more than two dependent groups or conditions. Dependent variables should be measured at the ordinal or continuous level. Let's take an example. In this example, the researcher intends to measure the serial position effect in recalling non-meaningful words. The following data represent the number of errors made in the recall of first 10 words, second 10 words, and last 10 words. Let's enter data in Spss. This is the variable view of Spss. First variable name is subject, then first recall of first 10 words, and middle recall of middle 10 words, and last, this is the recall of the last 10 words. Here you will select measure nominal. This is the data view. In this data we have the 7 subject. This is the recall of number of errors. In these are the number of errors recalling first 10 words. These are the number of errors made by subject recalling middle 10 words, and these are the number of errors made by subject in recalling the last 10 words. To carry out Friedman test, click Analyze, Non-Parametric, Legacy Dialog, K-Related Samples, and select Target Variable and shift to the test variable. Here you will select button Statistics, check Descriptive, Quartiles, press Continue, press OK, get output. In this output, you will notice the value of 50th percentile median, which is 4, 7, 3, and mean rank value 1.86, 3, 1.14, number of subject 7, and the value of Friedman test is 12.86, and this is significant because p-value is less than 0.05. Let's show these output in the form of table. This is the table of Friedman test. Number of subject in who recalled first 10 words, their mean rank 1.86 and their median is 4, and mean rank of subjects recalling middle 10 words 3, and median rank is 7, last 10 words mean rank is 1.14 and median is 3. So the value of Friedman is 12.28, p-value is less than 0.05, and this table indicates a statistically significant difference in number of errors for each position. I hope this video would be helpful in understanding how to apply Friedman test by using Spss and present data in the form of table. Thank you for watching the